Hey, this is Maria. 3 years ago, our lives took a turn, and we decided to embrace it by traveling to a new country every month. We explored every island in Istanbul, drove thousands of kilometers across Bali, swam with manta rays and whale sharks. I saw so many incredible things that I realized I need to capture this. Behind every journey, there's a good story. And these stories I'll be sharing with you all year long. So stick around. We traveled so hard that coming back to the same places for the second or third time started to feel like a privilege. I've been living in Chiang Mai for over 3 months now, and taking another trip to charldraw just felt so good. And we could finally slow down. I've learned to appreciate not rushing, giving myself permission to look around more carefully from different angles. Honestly, drifting around is one of my favorite things to do. Я замечена.
Мой тут розовый глаз. Такой красивый, не хочет гладиться. А этот такой немножечко такой.
Ой, 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 ой.
И собака сидит. There's one thing I've always regretted about traveling. We've lived in different houses and apartments in big cities and small islands. On the first floor and the 25th, these homes held not only our emotions and stories, but also the cultural DNA of each country, and of course the own views from the window. The only evidence of these places now lives in our parents' chat. New York, country jungle. For the past 2 months, I've been living in a big house by the river. When it's hot in the city, we have cool breeze and shade here. No traffic jams and silence at night. to be honest, it's not really safe here. You can see how high the grass place I want to show you. This is our garden. My favorite part about this place is this huge papaya tree. For a long time it was just green papayas here, but now you can see the yellow parts, and we just don't have enough time to eat all of this. So I don't know, it's one of the best parts when you live in nature. Not the best part, but still really interesting to discuss, is that we have the river here and like a lot of grass, as you see. So we have a lot of snakes here, and I believe that it's not dangerous until you try to catch it or annoy them. But we saw a green snake twice. It wasn't poison, but still can bite. Cute. And also small python floating the river. It was impressive because I haven't seen pythons before, even if it was small. Yeah. And also someone stole our first papaya from the tree. I don't know, we was ready to pick it up, and yeah, for the next day we saw no papaya. Someone tried to stole these papayas. I know this, I'm not crazy. We also ordered a pour-over and started drinking our coffee even slower on the terrace, watching the greenery and birds. Our landlord's family dog became our best friend.
Скорее, скорее, скорее.
And we taught her new tricks. This house is the place where we watched the Stranger Things finale. So, I'm documenting this chapter, the rhythm, the surroundings. For me, it feels special here.
On these rides, mine on the road, your dilated eyes, watch the clouds float, white Ferrari, had a good time. 16, how was I supposed to know anything? I let you out at Central. I didn't care to stay the plane.
Honestly, I've been avoiding this part because of the crowds, and we only wanted to see the waterfalls, but something pushed us to get through the line and do a short hike to almost the highest point in Thailand.
Що таке?
Где?
Що?
Огня.
О. They're not on the top. The summit is there.
Okay. The walk was nice.
The highest place on the in the Thailand. It's over there, I guess.
The weather is nice.
Our guide
Тихо.
answered on the question. Is that a summit? He said. Oh no. Здесь, наверное, так холодно ночью.
Обоссаться, наверное.
Что нам теперь, обосраться, что ли?
Ты мне, может, еще ближе будешь снимать?
Да, буду. Ладно, давай закреплять, что там хочешь. Ты шо? Ой.
Это не я.
Не ты? Ты туда?
Another trail.
О!
Ты сказал туалет?
Да.
I'm sure we're taller, another dimension. You say we're small and not worth the mention. You're tired of moving, your body's aching. We could vacate, there's places to go. Clearly this is it, all that there is. Can't take what's been given.
Hey guys, I just finished the editing of this video and I realized I want to share with you some thoughts and maybe plans just like this. I actually really like to make videos like this. Oh, here's my ear. I really enjoy making videos like this because I like to make sounds, I like to share some stories, and also maybe you noticed that I switched the language of my channel, and this is like super hard for me to speak English, and you can see this right now and in some moments in the video, so I hope you will be patient until I will learn speak more naturally. And this is because I want to make my channel more international, I guess, and meet the new people, not only from Russia but also around the world. Yeah, if you liked this kind of video, please share this in comments, because this is really important for me to know that I do something right, or maybe you want to know and to see something else. Also, tomorrow we're going to Bangkok and we do it for the first time by car. I'm a little bit nervous, but also exciting. Excited. Okay, no, doesn't matter. And we're going to meet my mom in Bangkok. I haven't seen my mom for 1 year and I really missed her. So this is gonna be fun, I think. This is gonna be fun. And also after Bangkok, we're going to Koh Chang. So this is like this island vibe in everything. And I hope this will be an interesting video. So see you in the next video and have a good day. Bye.